Hi, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, bringing you another law of attraction metaphysical lesson. Today I want to speak to you about something special that I think everyone in this whole entire world should know about. Something that you should be teaching your children at a young age. I want to talk to you about a technique that requires you to do this for 3 minutes to change your life. Again, do this for 3 minutes and it will change your life. Now listen, this is a new year. So many people out there want a new life. They want to make changes to their lives and don't know where to start or don't believe that they can do it. This video is going to help you get to that point to where you want to be. Now, the first thing I would like to tell you guys, and the first thing I would like to say that's most important, is patience. Yes, people, patience. So many people write me and they tell me they're doing the law of attraction. It's not working. Listen, the law of attraction is a universal law. It works 24 hours, 7 days a week. Okay? It even works while you're sleeping, people, based on what you did before you went to sleep. The law of attraction works regardless if you are aware of it or not. This channel here is to help you become a deliberate creator, to actually vibrate out what it is you're trying to bring in to your life. And that's what this video is about. This is the same technique that I use, going from house cleaning, food service, a direct care, to a nurse practitioner, to owning a 12-unit apartment building, to doing anything that I wanted to do. This is what I use always to get to where I am. Now listen, in the beginning, as I said in a couple of my other videos, I didn't know it was the law of attraction. I've always been involved in the unknown. But as I grew in my 20s and 30s, I started realizing how I was attracting a lot of things in my life, okay? Now, how I attracted these things in my life, I did a video on this, and I'm going to speak to you about it again so that you can understand the process and how it can help you change your life. I've always imagined everything. I imagine myself being great. I imagine myself being all these different things. It was almost like I could just jump out of my chair when I visualized. That's how much energy was flowing through me when I would visualize. It wasn't even like I was meaning to. It was more like I would just start thinking and then start seeing myself doing this and doing that, being this, being that, being bigger than what I was. And by me doing this, it always manifested in my life. Now, what I'm telling you for this video is that it just takes 3 minutes, people, 3 minutes to do your visualization, to manifest in your life what it is you want to create. Now, the thing is, don't do it for 3 minutes and then turn around and look over your shoulder and say, where it is, where is it, what happened? It doesn't work that way. When you visualize, it sends out a vibration, and that vibration goes out to match with whatever vibration is similar. Now, this can take a week, a month, a year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. I can't tell you how long it would take for you to manifest what it is in your life. But the thing is, you can either be a deliberate creator and create your life for what it is, or you can create by default and create what you don't want. So this example that I'm giving you is the best example that I can for all those out there that's willing to change their lives. What is the steps? These 3-minute steps that I'm talking about. I'm talking about taking some time for yourself every single day. In the morning, at night, whatever it is you want to do. And I want you to sit there in peace and quiet, your own me time, your me time, okay? And I want you to sit there, close your eyes, and I want you to just relax. Once you are feeling totally relaxed, I want you then to visualize yourself having exactly what it is you are trying to manifest in your life. Now, you can do it two different ways. You can visualize yourself seeing, tasting, feeling, smelling what it is you want in your life, as if you are actually in your picture, in your visualization, meaning you don't see yourself because you're in it, and this is you experiencing what it is you desiring. The other way is to actually see it as a mind movie. See it as a mind movie where you are actually seeing yourself with all these things that you desire to have. Then I ask you to then, once you feel comfortable with what you are seeing, I ask you then to jump in this mind movie and then again become who it is you want to be. The reason I do that, because a lot of people have problems visualizing without seeing themselves. So I try to tell people, go ahead and see yourself. And then once you get comfortable with what you look like and how you feel in it, then actually jump in and become that person. Now, how long do it take for you to do something like this? 3 minutes, people. 2 minutes, people. That's all it takes. But let me just tell you this. Once you start doing visualization exercises to change your life, that 3 minutes become 10 minutes very quickly. And before you know it, it could even be 20 minutes. You turn around, you look at the clock, and it's been 20 minutes since you've been doing this, and you had no idea how the time went by so fast. It takes 3 minutes a day to change your life. 3 minutes a day to change your life. That's all it takes. If you know what you want, and you already know what it will look like if you actually achieve the goal that you're trying to achieve, you will have it. You just need to have that picture in your mind. You need to feel everything as if it was true. How would it feel if you won $1 million? What would you be doing? What would you be doing at this moment if you won $1 million? That's the picture that you need to have in your head when you do your visualization. If you want that baby, what would it look like if you had that baby? Not having the baby. I mean, once it's done, we want to see the end results, people. What would it look like when you got to the end result of having that baby? Would you be wrapping that baby in your arms? Would you be hugging that baby every day and saying, I love you? Would you be pushing that stroller all over the place, saying, look at my child, she's just beautiful, he's just beautiful? What would you do if your dream actually was manifest in your life? That is the picture we're looking for. And I always tell people, do an affirmation while you're doing your visualization in your mind and say, thank you, God. Thank you, God. Because when you say thank you, God, thank you, God is as if it is already done. And it's done, it's completed, and you're saying thank you, God, because it came out the way you wanted it to come out. That's very important, people. When you say thank you, God, when you say congratulations, when you say I did it, this means it's already done. And you are not looking for something to come because it's actually already here. You are actually living your dream and sending out that vibration as if it is already done. 3 minutes is all it takes for you to change your life. 3 minutes, people. If you want that job, if you want that car, visualize yourself sitting in that car. Visualize yourself pulling up in front of your family's house and they all come running out and congratulating you on your brand new car. Visualize yourself pumping the gas, putting the gas in that car. Whatever it is that you desire, you can have by sitting there every day and visualizing it for 3 minutes. Now, you could do 2 minutes, you could do 3 minutes. The one thing I would like to say is that once you start doing your visualization every single day, I want you to take action, okay? I want you to drive around and look at those cars that you want. Go to every dealer, do whatever you have to do. But I need you to take some type of action. God can only work through you with what you give. So if you want that car, go to that dealer. Look around. God will move mountains to get the right salesperson there to show you that car. If you want that house, God will move mountains to get you in that house once you find it. Your visualization is your secret weapon to change your life. When you know what you want, believe that you can have it, and get out there and have faith and take action, there's nothing stopping you. It has to manifest. 3 minutes of your time every day is all that it takes to change your life. That's all it takes. Believe me, I've done it many times. Listen, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. If you like this video, please like it, please subscribe. Keeps me going, people. Follow me at myworldofmetaphysics.com. You can also visit me at store.myworldofmetaphysics.com. That's where you can buy crystals and metaphysical items. Again, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. This is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. Namaste.